September 1978. Investigative journalist Lila Hart vanished from her small New England apartment without a trace. The only clue left behind was her vintage typewriter, still loaded with a half-finished page, its last lines describing a shadowy figure she claimed had been watching her for weeks. Neighbors remember the relentless clacking of keys late into the night, abruptly silenced as if something stopped her mid-sentence. Hart was deep into an expose about a series of historic disappearances tied to a notorious mansion just outside town. Her detailed notes included cryptic interviews, missing local records, and a strange recurring symbol etched onto old photographs she uncovered. The night she disappeared, there were no signs of forced entry. Only the faint scent of old paper and ink lingered in the air. Police found her apartment undisturbed, but the manuscript's final paragraph appeared to have been typed by someone else, her clear, precise style suddenly shifting into erratic, nonsensical sentences. To this day, Lila Hart's fate and the true author of that chilling manuscript remain an unsettling mystery. What do you think really happened? Subscribe for more real cases that refuse to stay buried.